Hey everyone, how are you today? We try to make a tutorial for a no future. You link your domain to your own panel direct without contact us. It's very easy. And then let's go do it now. Only what you need to do, you open your panel, you go into my service, my host, and then next steps you want to go to domain provider like Namecheap or GoDaddy. You purchase it from them, the domain. And then we try now to explain to you, even you can do it quick and then doesn't take a long time from you. Now, what we doing, I have a fake domain. This is not the original domain where I have it. And then we go into my service, my host, and then add my host. Make sure you don't use that domain. This is when it's not working. This is only, it's random when I made it just to make a tutorial for you. And when you click add, will take a couple seconds to make configuration with our panel. And then here you go. You will see the domain is ready, link, and then it's give you name server 1, name server 2. Only what you need to do, you click here, you make a copy, you go into your website domain provider where you purchase, you go and manage, and then change first name server 1, and then you click here, you get the copy for name server 2. You change both of them, you click save, will be safe. What do you got now? You have your own host, you got your cloud, you got Matrix. You got 3 different one with the account, with the domain you created. And then how you can figure out these, all of them, I'll show you later on with the VPS option. And then all of them together will show perfect to use. And then you can add multiple domain where you like. And it depends what country you want to use them. You can create each domain for a specific country, work on it. And then let's do the VPS VPN. We're going to, again, go into my VPS server, my VPS, and then you will see VPS here, add, and we click here. There you go. It's automatically add quick. And then where are you going? You're going to M3U, you click user list, and we have a demo user list we create here. What are you doing? You click link. First two, it's a panel on domain. And then you will see in the bottom, my host, my cloud, my matrix, my VPS. If you click on my host, you will see the host we insert first one that's shown here. And then if you go my cloud, you will see the same domain with the Cloudflare. And then if you click my matrix, matrix will give you some specific name here different. And then with your domain where you purchase, to get avoid block from couple country. And then if you go to my VPS, you will see the VPS domain. That is through the server. It's a OVH. And make sure when you purchase OVH server, it's have a limited customer. Only if you want, like you can use them for customer. They have a block in one country or two country, and then you can put, depends how bigger server you will purchase to put a domain on it. And then it's not limited, have a limit to use for customer. I confirm to user for country they have a block or country they have a hard firewall security on an internet company. This is the only way you can use it. Thank you so much.